Hey, this is Andrew Holland-Shuck with the Victoria Property Group, and I'm excited to share with you Unit 5, 1083 Tillicum. This ocean view condo is 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and has approximately $150,000 in upgrades. By far, it is the show suite. Dominant ocean views from every bedroom, just as you would imagine and you'd appreciate. It has common amenities such as a guest accommodation, so if you have people coming into town, you can stay there. They have a gym, they have a common room with a kitchen, bathroom, so it's going to tick all those boxes. Centrally located, is great for all shopping, amenities, and so forth, and you have your own private dock. Let's go check it out.
All this time, I've been holding on so tight, 'cause all that I do was easy to use. So call my time, but you weren't really mine, just something to do. Thought I never knew. No surprise, but nevertheless, I'm still stuck in self-defense. No surprise, but nevertheless, I get lost when I look in your eyes. I just want to be next to your I get lost when I look in your
Hey, thanks for checking out this video. To book a showing, contact us or your realtor. Bye for now.
on my